Rob Frazier here. This video, Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 3, Lesson 3. And I know I haven't recorded these in order, but Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 1, I talked about the importance of list building and having something that will allow you to build a list, and I presented Lead Lightning, which is basically a very stripped down marketing system slash autoresponder slash place to build a list. Now that's a very basic place to go to, a very basic product, if you will, that will allow you to start building a list, but it's the start. And then in the second video I talked about how to, the next step, if you will, because all of this is a progression. The first video talked about the importance of list building, because at the end of the day, no matter how much traffic you get, the idea is to build a list. I want to keep saying build an email list, but there's different types of lists. If you're on my YouTube channel, got around 7.94-ish, whatever, some odds, 7,000, almost 8,000 subscribers. Those 8,000 subscribers are people that are on my YouTube list. Now, not all of them are getting all my videos all the time, but it doesn't matter. On my email list, I have various email lists. At the highest, I think I had around 120,000 on my email list, but that varies. And there's different lists. So we got people subscribing to my YouTube channel, we got people on my email list, people who read my blog, people listen to my podcast, the whole deal. The whole point is, what people don't get is that they're all trying to promote a program, and it's not necessarily about the program. It's about building your list. And by list, building your lists with an S. Your YouTube subscribers, if you're not a YouTube, your blog readers, if you're not a blogger, your social media, which is what I'm going to get into today. And the whole point is, the bigger your list, and however you choose to build it, the more of a chance you will get to sell whatever it is you're selling. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If you're in e-commerce, drop shipping, you're doing just affiliate marketing, you're doing CPA marketing, you're in MLM, network marketing. Doesn't matter what you're in. The whole point is the bigger your list, the more contacts you have, the more of a shot statistically you'll have that you'll be able to make money, whatever it is you're selling or whatever it is you're doing. So today, going to be getting more so into the social media side. The whole point is to build a list. The second video, Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 2, Lesson 2, I talked about where to get information, basically, from the programs that I'm recommending and the programs that you already have joined, how to use that information to make content so you can attract more people to you. And it all works together. There's three main ways of building a business online, and I call it the 3 C's. Number 1, clicks. Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 1 and Day 2 is more so sales funnel type stuff, online sales funnel, very basic sales funnels. And this is where I also buy traffic. I buy traffic and I point it to these sales funnels. And when I make content, which is the second C, which is also what you're watching right now, this is part of my content marketing strategy. My content points to my sales funnels. So at the end of this video, and at the bottom of most of my videos, I have a capture page. This capture page will basically allow people who watch my content, who want to get on my email list, to get on my email list. So there's clicks, there's content, which is the second C, which is what I'm doing now, and then the last C is connections, making connections. The whole point of buying traffic, buying solo ads, Bing pay-per-click, Google pay-per-click, Facebook ads, whatever, YouTube ads, the whole point of buying clicks, buying traffic, is to turn traffic that you pay for, traffic that you control, which is also what I talked about that I learned from the book that I shared in the first 2 videos. Turn traffic that you control into traffic that you own. That's what clicks is. That's just basically turning traffic that you control into traffic that you own, which is your email list or subscribers to a YouTube channel or whatever it is. The second piece, the second day I talked about, is creating content, which is the second C, which is what I'm doing right now in front of your face. My content is traffic that I earn. So those 7,000 people have subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's what I've earned over the course of the past 5-6 years pumping out YouTube videos. And again, the whole goal of these videos is to take what I've learned from the products that I've purchased, put it into my own words, put it out there on the internet in the form of a video, in the form of blog post, in the form of podcast, in the form of social media posts, which I'm going to get into in the last portion of this video. That content also starts working for me. So the more content I have, the more traffic that I earn. And that traffic that I earn, the goal is to turn that into traffic that I own. So if you're on my YouTube channel and you come down here in the description and you like what I'm saying and you click this link right here, it's going to take you to a capture page. And on that capture page, there's only going to be one thing to do. It's only going to be, if you want to learn whatever, XYZ, keep in mind I do have country bumpkin Wi-Fi, so it is taking a bit. It's not going to take that long. The whole purpose of this capture page is to turn the traffic that I earn from people here watching my YouTube video into traffic that I own. When people put in their email address, their real email, because I get some people put in fake emails, people who put in their real email address right here get on my email list, and once they're on my email list, I can email anytime I want. So that's traffic that I own. Well, anytime I join a new program, I want to recommend something, I want to promote this particular video, I'll email it to my list. And that's instant traffic because that's traffic on my email list, and that's traffic that I own, which is the ultimate goal. And it doesn't matter what the program is. I've done a recent video talking about a program, and I had a guy commenting, oh, that program's, you're basically saying your program sucks and my program's better than yours. Okay, I don't know who made that guy the judge, but he's missing the point. The point is building your email list, building your following, building your subscriber base. That's the point. The point is to build up your traffic. And if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make any money. So that being said, first video, more so clicks. Second video, second day, talking about content. You buy a product, you learn something from that product, you follow that process. You learn, you apply, you get a result, you document, you share, and you just keep on going. And that being said, going to get into the social media side. I know I ran it on that long enough, longer than I really wanted to. But with social media, the whole point is to trigger conversations, to get people interested in what it is you're promoting or what it is you're doing, no matter what it is. If it's your own product, your own service, your own coaching, your own mentoring, your own network marketing company, your own affiliate products, the whole point is to post things on social media that will trigger inbound responses. And how do you do that? You learn something, you apply it, you document it, meaning you post about it on social media. This is something that I've learned. This is my results. This helped me here. And you share it on social media. And that's going to trigger inbound conversations. Also, in the first two videos, I talked about Lead Lightning Power Lead System as well. With one of the products you get in Lead Lightning Power Leads, or Power Lead System as a gold member, you get access to something called Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads. Endless Free Leads, in my opinion, is a great way to post. Basically what you're going to learn is how to post about your product. Actually, you're going to learn how to pique interest in your business. That's the biggest thing I learned from this product right here, is how to speak to people that you're going to meet on social media that aren't necessarily interested in my case, making money online. This is basically it teaches you how to talk to those people just to see if they're even open to checking out your program. That's what Endless Free Leads has taught me. And that's why I recommend that. And also underneath this video, I'm include the 4 links here because in my honest opinion, I don't feel that there's any one social media course that has it all. There's always pieces left out, in my opinion. But these 4 resources that I'm recommending have different pieces, because when I say social media, connections, which is that 3rd C that I talked about, this is where you get all this information from. And I may have to make this a 2-part video because I'm already at 10 minutes and 35 seconds. So Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training, in my opinion, teaches you certain aspects about posting on social media and having conversations with general people, not people in affiliate marketing, not necessarily people in network marketing, although he has scripts for those different sort of examples. The whole point is to post on social media and have conversations with people just to see if they're even open to what it is you're into. In my case, it's affiliate marketing. And that's what you get from Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads when you get the Power Lead System Gold or Silver membership. And that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I'm going to include the last 3 pieces in Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 4. I'm going to cut that video immediately after this one, so we're not waiting 4 and 5 days in between me uploading these. But I feel that people make this more difficult than it has to be. And what I do is I try to find ways to break it down as simple as possible, because it's a combination of the 3, the clicks, the content, and the connections. The content is basically just everything. And there's some people, I don't want to do videos. I don't want to write blog posts. I just want to do it on social media. There's some people who don't want to do it on social media. So content allows you to kind of just pick what you want to work. And then from there, you have to send the people who are going to be looking at your content to a sales funnel, unless you always want to be there in their faces trying to talk to people or get people into your sales funnels. The whole point is you have this content here that's working for you 24/7, and you also have a sales funnel in place that's also working for you 24/7. And then, so that's your clicks, that's your content, and then lastly are connections. After people have bought certain products from you, bought your tripwire offers from you, in my case, people who buy Lead Lightning from me, the people who buy those basic products from me, those are the people that I reach out to and have conversations with. But you have to know how to talk to those people. And that's what's leading me down this path. This Max Steingard's training will teach you that basic conversational skill of how to talk to people, how to just see if people are open to learning more. And then from there, I'm actually end this video and going to include the next one, which I'm going to talk about how to post on social media, how to optimize your profile, a daily method of operation, and how to close. It is just so much. I just can't fit it all into one, because these are things I had to learn as well. So with social media, conversations with people who aren't necessarily interested and people who are. Then you got to learn how to optimize your profile, your branding, all that kind of stuff. You got to learn how to post to trigger people to ask you questions. And then you have to learn exactly how to close people. And this works online and offline as well. So that being said, wrapping this 3rd day up, going to record the 4th one here in a few. We'll see you next video. Also, if you want information about the Power Lead System, going to include that link below the video. And then my 4th video is going to have the rest of the info. We'll see you in the next one.